I'm gonna start a web design agency or also a branding design and website agency from scratch because I have an experience with it, so I will not struggle in do it again. So today's video I'm gonna show you all the resources you will need to just replicate this formula on all the clients, on all the days, on all months in your design agency, so you can duplicate the process all over this video. Take the action from today, and also I'm gonna show you what you will need to do and what are the free things available and what are the software available and everything you will need to kickstart a website and design agency. There is a difference between a designer and a design agency, because a designer needs to develop his skills and creative skills, but an agency needs to scale up and do much higher of figures. So today you will choose, do you want to be a designer who just need to scale up his creative skills, or you want to scale up your income? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to scale up the income without wasting time and also duplicate them for all the clients, because you need to know that every solution can be a fix for all the same problems. So because all the agencies and all the businesses have same problem, and as a design agency you will fix that problem for all of them, and you can duplicate the same process all over the clients, so you can speed up the process and raise your income. Bro, after this video we will just need to kickstart and start right after this video, because what you will need is just like we'll use just free subscriptions out of the software that we will use today. But the first thing first I'm gonna show you, so we will not just waste time and we'll just jump into straight afterward. So first thing first, you will need to download Framer. For example, you will go to Framer, download Framer in your PC. The second thing, you will see how like I will use for today this template, and will show you, and also this templates. There are 5 templates that I'm gonna give you. They are for 5 different style of like design style, and also 5 different type of brands, like industry brand. And go to Framer and you will see the website will be right here. And also another type of website is for the products, like an e-commerce brands. And if we see right here, you will see that this one is for e-commerce website type of brands. If you find a brand that and have a multiple products and they want to create a big website, you can just charge them at $300 for 5 minutes works. 5 minutes work, because you would just need to fill out every product here, so you can just see how the product on every section out of their websites, and you will just come and start fill out every picture with the product they provide you from this brand. So it's easy, and you can just watch like one day. It will take you 1 day to learn Framer. 1 day, just 1 day. And also you can just go and start like filling out all this contents section. And for example, for the one, so if you are just like a beginner, you will not used to like you are not used to product or e-commerce type of websites, because you are just learning how to kickstart your journey and start right after this video. You will just use, for example, this template. It will go, for example, for this picture, and you will go, for example, here, and you can just go and search for any picture you want, and it will appear right after on this, on the like for example on the website. And also fill out this thing and change change the logo, change the colors, change everything. As we go to the assets, you will just go here and start like using your own pictures. And also what's great about Framer is you can just drop and start, like for example, if I want to to drop a moodboard out of Framer, I can do it. For example, no, because I used a website type of stuff. For example, if I want to just, and also one great thing, if I drag like a picture just for moodboard, for example, or just for like inspiration, I can drop it and use it, because it's use a free workspace. So you can just drop any picture you want, so you can take the colors from it. For example, if I want to take the picture, and if I want to use like for example the color, I can just drop here and go and like for example and take the colors that I want from any picture I want. If I drag it just from Google or from Google, and I can use it as an inspiration or a creative direction. And also the website, as you see right here, it's also flexible and everything is easy to use. And if we take right here, you can just turn it into a a white website and start using this. And if you don't have any idea of how to find the content, you can just go to ChatGPT and write him, please, I want content for this type of website, and this guy, or for example this owner is, and you would just go and to Framer and copy paste and then share the website with your client, and the client will take care of it and publish it, because you are not, it's not your work to publish the website. But if you want to publish the website, you will charge him an extra fee monthly, for example $20 or $30. Example, for and here is it, you will find the link right down below. It's just $32, it's nothing, and also it's like a 50% off, so you can just use it and buy this pack. And after buying it, you will also get mentored by me on my Instagram. You can just like come and DM me, and I will help you as much as I can, and also I respond very quickly. So first thing first, we'll use, for example, I will provide you on this pack with 5 remix links. So they are the links for you can just copy. For example, you will get the link to these pages, and you will just click copy project to my account. And when the project copied to your account, you will go to Framer,